Now children, let us learn how to remember the trigonometric identities using simple trick. So using this simple trick, you can easily remember the trigonometric identities. Now let us consider the first trigonometric identity, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So using this one, you can easily write sine square theta is equal to 1. Here plus cos square theta is there. If we transpose this one to the right hand side, 1 minus cos square theta. Or the cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta. So using the first identity, now two more identities we can easily derive. Now come how you are going to derive the remaining identities using this first one. So we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, divide this one by sine square theta. So sine square theta by sine square theta. This one, sine square theta by sine square theta. So plus cos square theta divided by sine square theta is equal to 1 by sine square theta. Now this sine square theta by sine square theta you can easily cancel, and plus cos square theta by sine square theta you write as cos theta by sine theta whole square is equal to 1 by sine square theta. So 1 by sine theta whole square. Now 1 plus cos theta by sine theta is cot theta, and cos theta by sine theta whole square is cot square theta. And this is equal to 1 by sine theta. We know that 1 by sine theta is cosec theta, and 1 by sine theta whole square is cosec square theta. So next identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now using this identity, you can write cot square theta, transpose this one to this side, so minus cos square theta, and this one to the right hand side. So it will become minus 1. Now this identity you can write, or you can also write now cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So that also cosec square theta minus cot square theta, this is also equal to 1. You can easily write. Now next is dividing equation 1 by cos square theta. So this equation or identity 1 you divide by cos square theta. So what you'll write here? We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So now let us see here. Now sine square theta divided by cos square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Now sine square theta by cos square theta you can write as sine theta by cos theta whole square. Now cos square theta by cos square theta you cancel. So it will become 1. And 1 by cos square theta you can write as 1 by cos theta whole square. Now see here, this sine theta by cos theta whole square. Sine theta by cos theta is what? Tan theta. So sine theta by cos theta whole square is tan square theta plus 1, and 1 by cos theta whole square, 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So 1 by cos theta whole square is sec square theta. Therefore, using this identity, we have got the next identity. This one is a very important identity. Now next is using this one, we'll derive the next one. So tan square theta, tan square theta, and this one you transpose to this side. So tan square theta minus sec square theta is plus 1 is here, it will become minus 1. So minus 1, and the same identity you can write in this way. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, by multiplying this identity by minus 1. So basically this identity and this one, they are same. Also you can write here sec square theta, this plus 1 transpose to this side. So it will become minus 1. So sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So this one is the next identity. So using this identity, we have derived two more identity. So from only now you have to remember the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and using this identity we can derive the rest of the identity. Thank you. Now children, let us solve one question from exercise 8.4, question number 5, fifth part. What is the question? Prove that cos theta minus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, so let us take the left hand side. So left hand side is cos theta minus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Let us represent this equation by equation 1. So dividing equation 1 by sin theta. Now here important point is that why we are dividing this equation 1 by sin theta only. See here in the question, if you see here, it is given cos theta minus sin theta plus 1 is equal, you have to prove cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. So now left hand side we have to convert by dividing or by multiplying or by factorizing. Now we have to find out, or we have to convert that one in the form cosec theta and cot theta. Okay, so that's why we are dividing this equation 1 by sin theta. So now divide this one by sin theta. What it will be? Cos theta by sin theta. Here this one minus sin theta by sin theta, this one, plus 1 by sin theta, this one. Now denominator cos theta by sin theta, so cos theta by sin theta, plus sin theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. So you see here this sin theta cancel, and this one cancel. So what is remaining here? This is equal to cot theta. Now cos theta by sin theta is what? Cot theta. Minus sin theta by sin theta, this is equal to minus 1, plus 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. So plus cosec theta. Next is cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Plus sin theta by sin theta is equal to 1. Minus 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. So next is what? We know the identity. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Or you can say that cosec square theta, this plus cot square theta transposed to the left hand side. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So in the place of 1, we'll write cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So now let us see here. This one, cot theta as it is, minus 1. So minus with cosec theta, cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So right here, minus cosec square theta minus cot square theta plus cosec theta. So this cosec theta as it is. And denominator you write cot theta plus 1 minus cosec theta. So cot theta plus 1 minus cosec theta. Now this cot theta as it is, this open the bracket. When you will open the bracket, this cos square theta multiplied by minus 1 will become minus cos square theta. So this is minus cos square theta. This minus with this minus plus. So minus with minus cot square theta, it will be plus cot square theta. Okay, and plus cosec theta as it is. And denominator cot theta plus 1 minus cosec theta. Now next is, see here, this now next, okay, cot theta and cosec theta together, right? So cot theta, cosec theta. Now cot square theta minus cosec square theta. It is in the form of a square minus b square. And a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. So cot square theta minus cosec square theta you can write as cot theta plus cosec theta multiplied by cot theta minus cosec theta. So this is what in this place it has been written. Now see here, if we take common between this cot theta plus cosec theta plus cot theta plus cosec theta multiplied by this expression. So the common factor is cot theta plus cosec theta, cot theta plus cosec theta. So right here cot theta plus cosec theta, and if we take out this portion outside the bracket, so what will remain? 1. So 1 as it is plus this cot theta minus cosec theta. So this cot theta minus cosec theta you write. So what is here? The cot theta plus cosec theta is equal to 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Now 1 plus cot theta, you see that this one, and 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. In the denominator, cot theta plus 1 minus cosec theta, little bit just organize this one, you write 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So after cancelling this term, what will remain? Cot theta plus cosec theta. Therefore, cot theta plus cosec theta, which is equal to right hand side. You can check also, right hand side is cosec theta plus cot theta. So here is also cot theta plus cosec theta is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Thank you.